Oh. Give me paw.
No, I said give me paw. Okay, finally, give me a paw. Come on. Give me a paw. Good kitty. He does kind of look like a neighborhood cat. See, look. Hey, hi.
Oh, kung fu there.
Give me a paw.
Oh, you know how cats are.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, Lindsay.
So does your cat hate? I'm trying to pet you. Oh my god. Come on, cat. Can I pet you?
Are you okay?
It scratched me. Stupid cat. Look.
Bye.
Hold on, my phone's calling. Bye. Stupid cat.
Hi, Crystal.
Oh, one missed call. I'll call my dad.
She's nice to me. She's just. Oh my god, I just told me to the cat.